to breakfast at Amano, which is this Italian place that our Uber driver recommended. City life. These massive bowls. These look so yummy. First bite.
Good.
Monkey bread. Here's 9 a.m. espresso martinis. This is the Bellini. This is way better.
Oh, that's so strong.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So we made a mistake and we didn't flag down the bus when it was coming by. The one we needed to take was just like, meow. Because apparently here you need to wave them down. We're waiting for the next one. Oh, I got this hat. It's from the gift store. Wow! Fun fact, there's more sheep in New Zealand than people. Yep. Tastes like an IPA.
If I'm gonna suffer through how many times I have to pee, at least let me mildly enjoy like the drink.
It's true.
I've tried a lot. Where's like a steak? Oh no. Oh no.
I just realized what happened.
Excuse me? Hey, water glass. Yeah, honestly, it's perfect.
Oh my god. So truffly. First lamb. This is lamb?
Yep.
Good. Hi. I got the passion fruit coconut. Oh yeah, what a view.
Hello. How you doing?
We've made a friend.
I know.
We're at Mount Eden, which apparently is a dormant volcano crater. Whoa, that's a sky tower?
The 17
That's not the 17? The sunset wasn't as colorful as we thought because it was behind the clouds, but it's okay. It's still really pretty.
This is my background.
It wouldn't have mattered. Dude, okay. Yeah, see, it wouldn't matter, so you did it. You did it, right? It could have been as bright as it possibly could. Now you would not have seen it. You would not have seen. Shut up, bro. You don't see any difference. You don't see any difference at all. Now it's bright.
Video with the golden highlights.
We are at Gogo Music Cafe and I'm getting some weird Hello, today is day 2. We are at a brunch breakfast spot called Honey. And she got the halloumi bagel. He got a vanilla latte and a breakfast bagel. Got the salad. I don't know what these are. Chips? What is this? And juice for the health. This is good. Hey, we're on a boat and we're headed to Waiheke Island. Just waiting for the ferry to get boarded by everyone and then we are off. Bye bye Auckland. We're headed to the island. Super green island off in the distance. This beauty queen. us some ice cream. And there's like nobody here. It's gorgeous. Look how beautiful the water is. All the way out there.
Hello, how are you?
Having a little main character moment. Alright, photos are done and we're headed to the water now to get some swimming in the water.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate. 4 out, let's go. You can see him all the way out there. Little speck. Oh my god. I actually almost fell. We're at this restaurant called Charley Farleys. And it's right by the water. I got the fish and chips.
Craft you.
Cheers! We've stumbled across this park and it's so quiet. We're here at the ferry terminal, headed home back to Auckland. We're just waiting for our boat to get here and I had to go potty, but look. Cuties. Just chilling. So we just had a full day on Waiheke Island. We were here from 12:30 to 8:30 is when our ferry is about to pick us up. And we're here just chilling, sitting down, enjoying the sunset. Hi. Wow. Oh, do you want to say hello? Oh. This is my vlog camera. What's your name?
Ava.
Ava, my name is Sarah.
Can you say hi to Bruno?
It's nice to meet you.
Goodness, hi Bruno.
We chases sticks in the water.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Excited on a stick now.
Go get it.
Wait, can I go there
Sure, no problem.
with your camera?
Yeah, take some good footage.
What?
What are you doing with
That.
Okay.
We're going from there.
Hey,
Hello.
it's Sarah and
Ava.
she's my new friend. Are you from New Zealand? Are you from here?
Yeah.
You're from here?
Yeah.
Does it look cool? Does
Yeah.
it look cool?
Yeah.
Hello, hello. We made it to Queenstown. This is the view. We're waiting at the bus stop for our ride to lunch. Sandia's jumping over. Look at this beautiful view.
Selfie stick?
Cheers, 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 Emma.
Was it pepper? Okay.
So we're at this place called 20 Patagonia that's really famous for their gelato. Arnie! Oh, he went to go potty.
Marking territory.
So I got the Darling Berry Taro drink from Gongcha, the one that's inspired by the Wicked for Good movie. So let's see how it is. Okay, trying out the various taro drink. Oh my god, this is so good. It tastes like Trix.
Oh.
Like the cereal Trix.
Uh-huh.
Like the Trix are for kids. The ones with the bunny. Hello, hello. Today we are on a tour on the way to Mount Cook, and we're stopping at somewhere with these hills. Look how beautiful. Hello, little one. So cute. What are you munching on? Unfazed. Oh, there's another one. Yo. Massive balls. Okay, so we're at another what the fuck was that? Someone's got attacked. We're at another pit stop looking at the lake with the glacier water, and it's like a beautiful shade of blue. Take a look.
Wow!
Wow. Wild. So this whole thing is called Mount Cook, or?
No, Mount Cook is the tallest mountain. You can't see it from here.
Tasman Glacier. Ooh, the sun!
And then she looked at me all mad. I was like, what the hell?
Stopping by Logan Salmon Farm for a little snack, and look at all the options they have. Me excited.
Yummers.
Can't forget a Coke Zero. Oh my goodness, it looks so yummy. This is where they came from. Alright, first test. So fresh. Okay, this wind is crazy, but we took a little stop. I don't know what these flowers are called, but they're purple and pink and they're so pretty. They're the flume flower, if you know, from that one album. I'm not sure how much you can see from that shot, so let me do a little zoom in. Oh my gosh, we found some up close. Made one last stop at this grocery store in Cromwell, which is a small little town middle of Southside New Zealand. Look at all the produce. All of this is grown here locally. Look at all the different apples. I got myself a little container of blueberries. So let's see how it is. Nice big and juicy looking. Let's see if it's sweet. Wow, so good. I feel like I should wash these. They're a little dusty. They have this little ice cream shack here that's famous for using their locally grown fresh fruits and blending it into an ice cream.
They blend it together.
Yeah.
So cool, wow.
Nice.
Yeah.
Too slow. Oh my god, so good. Like, I'm not even capping. It's so good.
Yummers.
Wow.
Really good.
Cheers. Cheers, cheers. We are at Winnies, which is a pizza place with a montanara and the tandoori chicken and some lemon pepper wings. What a cute straw!
Wow!
Wait, this is the cutest straw I've ever seen in my life. So good. Hello. We're here at Queenstown yet again to watch the sunset. Hello and happy Thanksgiving. Today is November 27th. It's a Thursday. We're in Queenstown and we're headed to downtown to get some lunch, and then later we're gonna do the luge, where you take a gondola up the mountain and then you luge, which is like essentially a cross between a toboggan and a go-kart or something, but you use gravity to go down the mountain, only controlling the speed of like how slow or fast you go. Yeah, super excited. Look at our view. It is stunning as always. This morning was raining pretty hard, so we're having a bit of a later start to this morning. But yeah, beautiful day. The sun is out and we're ready to have another adventure. We are currently waiting for the bus. Mr. Cool Guy over there.
On the track now.
Can you imagine?
It's a paved road.
Actually,
Are they baby goats? Baby goats?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Mala.
You can see yourself.
Like
Go around the mountain. You can't see it.
Yeah. Oh, you took a bus here?
Yeah.
They didn't have the
you.
Right there.
So many inside, yeah. They have a baby. Just chilling.
You
can look for some lobby.
Oh, it's not bad at all.
Alright, we've reached the top and we're headed to the luge entrance. Got the helmet on, ready to hit the luge. They stopped the luge because the winds are too high. So we've been waiting for about 30 minutes now. Darn.
Smile for the camera. Where's the camera? Right here.
I know. Okay, it's finally time. We were waiting in line for so long. Ended up not doing all 6 rides because the lines were taking too long, and it was very inefficient to have to go all the way and go back up for just like a 1-minute ride. So it's okay. We had 4 rides. We did 4 rides, right? Had 4 solid rides, and now we're just enjoying the view, looking at the gondolas, the luges. The lubies are down there, and enjoying some coffee. We had some truffle fries, and they were delicious. Stunning. No, not that. Okay, so we need tickets in order to get up into the gondola. This is what they look like. They look like a proper ticket, right? But somebody decided to rip it up. But we still have to take one more ride back down, so.
That's okay.
Oh, let me get mine. Don't let her. Leave her. She can.
That side, right?
Yeah.
On the side.
I saw that, yeah. You can see the Fergburger.
Wow, that's crazy. You really can.
You see it right there? The pier's over there. Do you see that crowd of people?
Okay, so we got ourselves some dinner from Fergburger, their famous burger place. We already had it once, but we waited a few hours before we ate it because we brought it back to our hotel and it was cold, but it was still super good. So this time we're having it fresh, just picked it up. We're sitting right by the water. Our burgers. The ducks be swarming us though. We're looking kind of crazy, but at least you can see with this view.
Oh, yeah.
Bon appetit.
You guys.
Good morning and happy American Thanksgiving. We are headed to Milford Sound on this big old bus. But yeah, it's gonna be a long drive, a long day, a 12-hour tour in total. I think it takes about 4 hours to get there and back, and then we're gonna spend some time on the boat and see the fjord. I think Milford Sound is considered a fjord. So. I made an
Apparently Mirror Lake.
I spilled my green
They couldn't get in there at all. East Lake it was flooded. So whether or not we'll be able to get in there today.
Okay, we're at stop number 1, Lake Te Anau. Kind of underwhelming, not much going on. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
So we've approached another stop, which is just a giant field with beautiful views.
Good catch.
Thank you. Sophia is frolicking. Look at her go. Cinema.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Come back, come back, come back.
Run, Forrest, run! Run, Forrest!
At Mirror Lakes. It's raining though. It's not as crystal clear as they say.
I was like, who is that?
It's me, Mario.
Oh, no.
Dito? Gotcha. Apparently, these are famous to eat in New Zealand. Oh god. They're so chewy.
About 40 kilometres out to Jackson's Bay on the Tasman Sea, the west coast and south of the damage. They produce horrendously big winds, and he shifted one of the diggers. They don't want to talk to.
Okay, so we're stopping at a river that has glacier water, so it's pure, and he said to fill your water, so this is regular water. Okay, now we're gonna see what the river water tastes like, or the glacier water. Glacier water. glacier water is caught. Is this the water?
It's so crisp.
The water? Oh my gosh. Cheers. Wow! Wow, I wish I could drink water like this every day. It's so crisp and clear. Man, I don't know what it is. It's just like extra crispy and refreshing. This would hit at a grid cycle class while you're hot and steamy. What's up, Salmon Mama? Did you drink the water?
I did.
How was it? What did you think?
It was honey.
Honey?
So tasty.
So tasty.
Yep. So good.
So good.
You're recording?
Yeah, that's why I am. I'm interviewing you.
Yeah, very nice.
Yes. Oh man, I love this water.
I know. Because I've been
Oh no, at what cost?
Goddamn.
Frozen hand.
Freezing.
It's okay, worth it, worth it. Sure you don't want to get our luggage bottle?
It's okay, that one's almost filled.
I know, dump it. I want one.
You want a whole one?
Yeah, I'm greedy. Yeah, big and greedy. Drink the
A
water?
glacier.
Yeah. What'd you think? Appa, did you drink the water?
Yeah, I did.
Good?
Yeah,
Bad?
good. Good.
Okay.
Tastes like super pure.
It's so crisp.
So please pay close attention. Your boat today will be the gem of the sounds. Shut your eyes and keep them closed. Keep them closed, keep them closed.
Keep them closed, keep them closed, keep them closed.
Keep them closed, keep them closed. Keep them closed. Okay, open them.
Wow!
Whoa, that's great. It's huge. You got it, you just have to.
And
Hello, we made it onto the Milford Sound cruise. Look at the views, it's insane. It's so windy right now, so hopefully this windscreen is working. I'm wearing a skirt and it's extremely windy and it is going out, so hopefully I don't flash anyone. Look how gorgeous. Wow. Insane. Full 360.
Creates a very unique marine environment. The colour of the water is quite dark.
I think we're gonna get 3 times taller than that.
Yeah, I don't know if that's just him being cheeky or not, but Niagara Falls is pretty.
3 times taller.
It comes.
Pembroke standing at 2,020 metres in height, looking at. So see the Pembroke Glacier, that's the last glacier over waterfall where you just got your 10 years younger from. As close as they can to that mountain range.
So beautiful. What a way to spend Thanksgiving. Anytime I come out in nature and I'm around these massive mountains and whatnot and everything that makes me feel so small, I think back to like my everyday regular life and I'm like, you know, nothing really matters. If you think about it in the grand scheme of things, all the little things you worry about in life, like, life's too short, man. Enjoy. One last thing, today is actually November 28th, 2026 here in New Zealand, and it is my mommy's 60th birthday, so I just wanted to say happy birthday, Mom. I love you so much. I wish you could be here with me and see these beautiful views, but I promise we'll celebrate once I get back, and hopefully one day in the near future we can take a trip like this as well, because it is so pretty. I wish you were here. I love you. Mwah. And because it's November 28th here, that means it is November 27th back at home, which means it is Thanksgiving. So again, happy Thanksgiving. Super grateful for this little life I'm living.
Hey.
Oh. Wakatipu. Surprise! Hello, hello.
Oh, hi. Hi.
Hello, hello. Okay, so we just had dinner and then we're about to get some drinks at the ice bar, which is a bar that is like negative 12 degrees Celsius and everything is made out of ice. So we're about to get our jackets and then head on in. Okay, we're about to head in. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so cool. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's a kiwi. Oh. This is sick. Gosh, she can play ice hockey. Oh shit. Bruh. Oops, not me, making a mess. Still waiting for my drink.
Ice. Pure ice. Very slippery. You gotta be careful.
Glass is made of ice, baby.
Ice straight again.
Oh my god.
Now we get to smash our ice cups at the smash wall. Wall or floor?
Wall.
Okay.
We're at a W right there. Aim for a W. Again. Yeah. Yeah, one more time.
Yes.
Cheers. 1 second. Very refreshing.
Oh, that's strong.
Manuka honey. Dude. So good. The Ferg Bakery famous donut. So good. Literally ordered 3 more of these bad boys because they're just so good. Who is Ferg? I love him so much. Hello. Change of events. We have ended up in Christchurch because it was a whole fiasco yesterday at the airport. All of our flights got canceled and there was just like non-stop rebooking and trying to figure out schedules because basically the 2 of us and his parents were gonna stay an extra day or 2 days, but everyone else was technically supposed to be home by now. But there was literally no flights back to Auckland to go back to LA. So lo and behold, we rented a car, drove up to Christchurch where we are now, and we're gonna stay 2 nights here and then catch a flight from the airport here to Auckland and then go back home. So crazy change of events. I feel like I low-key manifested this because yesterday morning I was like low-key like so sad and telling him like, oh, I'm so sad everyone's leaving, I don't want them to go, and then the universe made it happen. Not in a good way because that was terrible. Everyone's schedule got wrecked, but here we are for a new adventure for the next 2 days in Christchurch. We made it. Let's get it, guys. Headed to breakfast?
Let's get it.
Yeah. All right. Wow, I got the kimchi rice omelet, exando, and they got Korean fried chicken. At this place called Child Sister. Everything here, slash. Oh my gosh. Bye.
Share with her. Alright, there you go.
Ah. One thing about New Zealand is they put aioli on everything. Heading up this mountain in this giant car. Driving on the opposite side. Where's the steering wheel? Ooh, he caught one. So we're at this park in Christchurch, and they have a freaking zip line for the kids. Oh my gosh.
I think you could do it too.
Should I? No, I want to see one adult do it first. Getting motion sickness?
Yeah.
Whoa. Ashwin's about to ride this big blue slide. It's pretty tall. This playground. Oh, are you embarrassed?
Yes.
Dude.
I'm very.
This playground is insane. I'm so jealous actually. They have so many cool things to do. Like, are you kidding me? And atop that hill is a trampoline too. Man. Oh my god, you're gonna slip! Yes! I got it! Bruh.
Guys, there's also a staircase right there.
I know. Can we be normal? Whoa!
My butt's so wet now. Kids do cardio so easily. It's crazy.
Mà qua ta, ta mi wee, 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 mà ta, wee, wee.
Come on, Finn.
Oh my gosh, come on!
Oh.
That's the wrong goal.
That's what she said.
Now how are you gonna get yourself up?
Huh? Oh, this way?
That's what she said. Come on. Oh. No. Come on. There he goes. He's coming down. Oh, you could hear him.
Wait, did you get stuck? Where is he?
Are you stuck?
Is he stuck? Where? What happened?
Oh shit. Oh, my foot's right.
No!
What happened?
Dude, they have a cool water park that teaches kids how physics and irrigation works. Look at this. I'm creating.
Oh, but there are holes on the side though.
Oh.
Yeah, that means you need to spin harder.
Okay, spin harder. I'm transporting water upwards through the force of circle motion.
Circle motion.
Circle motion. Yes. You see it? Oh, I lost track.
Get their feet wet.
Yeah. My feet are also wet.
Oh, they're with me now.
Ooh. Shall we lift the dam? Is it time? I want to see. Whoa! Wow.
Yes, science.
Sweet.
We
Energy.
don't have this kind of shit.
I know. We have pointless stuff. Through there, and there, and there. Ooh, the birds. You are welcome. Ashwin's turn.
There's no water.
Because you're spinning it too fast.
There is no water coming out.
Oh man, so fun.
Last word. That's it?
Whoa.
Restaurant.
It's a restaurant on wheels? That's actually so cool. What? Whoa. Hello, it is our last day in New Zealand and we're here at the Auckland Museum. Look at these sharks. So cool. I guess they're gonna have a shark exhibit soon on December 10th. Sadly, we won't be here, but this looks really cool. Shout out to my nephew Ezzy. He loves sea animals and especially sharks. He would love this. We got tickets to the Maori Cultural Experience and then we're gonna see a haka. So we're headed to the Maori Culture Show, but they told me I'm not allowed to film anything. So the haka that we're going to see will just be a memory. Wish I could share it. Creepy. This is like a massive chicken ostrich. Dude, ostriches are kind of scary.
They're so fast.
Penguin. A sunfish, also known as the mola mola. This place is so cool. Yeah. Shout out UCI. Zod Zod. Yuck. Look how cute this guy is. A little wombat. Right whale? Its head big. Big tree. This is the bottom jaw of a sperm whale.
The naughty goody were there to welcome her home to the land who first came.
Wakapapa. Family. This guy is named Raja. He's been a part of the museum for 80 years. Oh, and the next 80 years. Wow. Look at it. So we're in a volcanic eruption earthquake simulation room. Let's see how this goes.
For nearly 600 years, the city's volcanic field is coming to life. Ironically, it's an absolutely stunning evening here in Auckland. Playing for our lives, the traffic's not even moving.
Despite instruction, the evacuation zone joined the.
Alright, we're trying the McDonald's in New Zealand. They have
Last meal.
I know, last meal here. They have the McSpicy and the McCrispy, and they got chicken McWings, and they have a Coke float.
Tap in, Jalen.
Oh, and I don't know what McBites are, but I got them because I was curious.
With the whole group chat.
Do it. McBites, some sort of dessert. I'm gonna try it just so we can see what's inside. Like a mini jelly filled bread. It's okay. Yum. Okay. Let's eat.